Guys, welcome to this tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove someone as maybe an admin, a moderator or editor on your page. So here in this is your Facebook page here. What to do is just to click on this your profile icon at the top here. As you can see, when you click on it here, it will now bring out these options for you. To bring out these options, you just scroll down to settings. You just scroll down to this place where it says settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy, you tap on settings, then it will now take you to the settings of this page. Then you now click on this place where it says page settings for area media based TV, which is the name of your page. You click on it. When you click on it, it now take you to this place again. These are the list of options here. You scroll down to this place where it says page access, and it says invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. You click on it, then you will now load. These are the list of people that are in this page. So what you do is just to go through it here and then select the one that you want to remove. You get anyone that you want to remove. You see these three lines here, you tap on it, as in you will now bring out these options. It says view access, then remove from page. You click on this place where it says remove from page. When you click on this place where it says remove from page, then you enter your password. So after entering your password, it will automatically remove the person from your page. The reason for you entering your password is for Facebook to confirm that it's really you that is making the changes on the page. I believe this was helpful to you. Kindly like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this video, and don't forget to comment.